You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English that is confusing, admittedly, stay tuned. If there are more videos for you, you'll want to learn from at the end of this one. The British English pronunciation, the way it's said in the UK, is as fond. Fond. Now, the Americans usually pronounce it slightly differently as fond. Alright, it's a bit more open sound. Fond. Now, so, fond or fond? Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.